Are you an executive member at Costco, but wondering if the Rogers credit card is the key to unlocking even more savings? If you shop at Costco Canada, you already know the drill, it's MasterCard only. And if you've got that executive membership, you're already earning a nice 2% reward. But what if you could stack rewards? That's where the Rogers MasterCard comes in. This question comes up a lot, because let's be honest, we all want to maximize that cashback. You're trying to figure out if you should stick with the standard Costco branded card or switch to something like the Rogers MasterCard. The short answer is a very enthusiastic yes. You absolutely can use your Rogers credit card at Costco, and yes, you can stack the rewards. Here's the simple breakdown, and why this is such a powerful combination for Canadians. First, let's look at the two separate reward streams. You have the executive membership reward. This is the 2% annual reward certificate you get directly from Costco for most of your eligible in-warehouse and online purchases. It's a benefit of your membership, not the card you use. You get this whether you pay with cash, a debit card, or any accepted MasterCard. Second, you have the credit card reward. This is the cashback you earn from the bank that issues your card. Since Costco Canada only accepts MasterCard, you need a good one. This is where the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard shines. Here's the massive benefit. If you are a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer with an eligible service, the Rogers card offers a strong 2% cash back on all eligible purchases, including those made at the Costco warehouse. Think about that for a second. That means you are hitting the jackpot with two separate, independent earnings. 1. The 2% from the Costco executive membership. And 2. The 2% from your Rogers MasterCard. That's a total of 4% back on all your major Costco shopping. And on top of that, if you redeem your Rogers cash back towards a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw bill, the rewards are typically boosted, which can bring your overall value even higher. Now, let's quickly contrast this with the CIBC Costco MasterCard. That card is great for Costco gas, but for general in-warehouse purchases, it typically only gives you 1% back. Stacking that with the executive membership only gets you to 3%. So, the clear winner for maximizing warehouse rewards is to combine your Costco executive membership with a high-earning, flat-rate MasterCard like the Rogers Red World Elite. You get the 2% from the membership and the 2% from the card, resulting in a sweet 4% combined reward. It's the ultimate reward stack for the savvy Canadian Costco shopper. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.